Hello friends, welcome you all in Angel Broking podcast section. Here we will discuss on commodities and on its important levels for the day 24 June 2020. Today we have noticed that gold again made a lifetime high of 48,370 levels, and in international market gold has a touch of 8 years high 1773.50 dollar per ounce. Weakness in dollar supportive for the gold. Even if we check the geopolitical tension between US China, trade tension between US and China, and even riots happening in the US market in US, which is very supportive for the bullion. Safe haven demand and investment demand increase supportive for the gold prices. We are expecting a positive trend will continue in the gold and silver prices. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 48,000, resistance at 48,550. Silver has a strong support at 48,500, resistance at 49,350. We are recommending to buy in gold and silver on a dip, and we expect a positive trend will remain same in gold and silver. Yesterday we have noticed base metal were trade in a sideways movement. However, the demand is going to increase in base metal on the reopen of the industrial activity and resume of major economies. So we expect a positive trend will continue in base metal. Copper has a strong support at 445, resistance at 453. Zinc has a strong support at 160, resistance at 164. We are recommending to buy in base metal, particular in copper and zinc. Now if we check about the crude oil prices, yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices remain firm and closed at 0.07% after making a high of 3153. In international market, crude oil prices are trading around above $40 per barrel. The demand from industrial activities, demand from aviation sector has been increased, and due to this we are expecting the crude oil prices will remain same and remain firm. However, OPEC is expected to cut production, and other OPEC members will also going to cut the crude oil production. So this will also provide support for crude oil prices. For intraday perspective, we are expecting a positive trend in crude oil. For intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at 3010, resistance at 3110. We are recommending to buy on a support level in crude oil prices. Now if we check about the agricultural commodities. Yesterday all agricultural commodities were traded on a positive note, particularly in edible oil sector, spice sector and pulses sector. Today we are expecting again a positive trend will remain same in agricultural commodities on the back of increase in domestic demand as well as some export demand in spice sector. However, imports are less in soybean, in edible oils, so we recommend still a positive trend in agriculture commodities. So we are recommending buy in agriculture commodities, particularly in spice sector, pulses sector and oil seeds sector. We hope that you will be benefited from our podcast while trading in commodities. So stay with us for more interesting discussion. Thank you.